Ciao and welcome back to this new cooking video. Davide here for Small Giants, and today we will create some tasty recipes with a new superfood, buffalo worms flour. Obviously nothing scary. As you can see, I have here in my hands this incredible flour that allows you to prepare all your favorite recipes and enrich them with super sustainable proteins. I am so in love with this product, and I'm sure you will love it too because this is so funny and easy to use. But now let's jump into the recipe. In this video I will show you how to prepare some delicious cookies, perfect for breakfast or to take a break of sweetness. Let's start by putting dark chocolate and sunflower oil in a bowl and melting them in the microwave. Set aside to cool until warm. In a saucepan, mix together sugar and water and heat them until the sugar is fully dissolved. Then set this aside to cool as well. Meanwhile, preheat the oven and line 2 baking sheets with baking paper. When the melted chocolate and the sugar syrup are warm, merge them and whisk well until combined. Sift in the flour, buffalo worms flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and salt. Whisk well until you get a smooth, thick batter. In this recipe, buffalo worms flour is amazing. Its nutty flavor pairs perfectly with these cookies, plus you will get a boost of digestible and sustainable proteins. Now use an ice cream scoop or a big spoon to portion out the butter. You should get 10-15 cookies in total. Be sure to space them far enough because they will spread out during baking. Bake the cookies in the preheated oven for about 9-10 minutes until they take this form. When you take them out of the oven, you can correct the shape with a round cookie cutter, slightly larger than the diameter of the cookies. Let cool down the cookies on the baking sheet for 5-10 minutes and then you're ready to eat them.